Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. In last session we studied about helping verbs. So today we are going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives means describing words. First let me tell you an interesting story. Once upon a time there was a huge jungle. In that jungle there were many animals. Now one day the animals were trying to decide who will be the king of the jungle, and they were fighting among themselves that who will be the king of the jungle. And at that time the wise fox came up and he said that all of you must come ahead one by one and tell your qualities, and at the end, depending upon the qualities of each and every animals, we will decide as who will be the king of the jungle. So first of all, elephant came up. He said, I am a large animal. I am strong. I have a long trunk. I want to be a king. Then came a bear. He said, I am also a big animal. I am healthy. I should be the king. After that, it was the turn of furious lion. He said, I am stronger than them. I have powerful paws. Besides, I am clever and fast. I deserve to be the king of this big jungle. And on the basis of this, we saw that the lion is the most powerful among all the animals, and hence he was made the king of the jungle. Now let us look at the sentences that we have used in the story. The wise fox said. Now in this, fox is a naming word. It is the name of the animal. So I can say that fox is a noun. And what is wise? Is wise a noun? No. Wise is not a naming word. So it is not a noun. But wise is telling us about the fox. Wise is telling us about the quality of the fox, that the fox is wise. So we can say that the word wise is describing word of the for the fox. So fox is a noun and wise is a word which is describing the noun. Now in English language we have named these kind of words which describe nouns as adjectives. So adjectives is a word that is used to state the virtue, that is goodness, vice, that is badness, quality, quantity and condition of a noun or a pronoun. So what are adjectives? Adjectives tell us about the virtue, vice, quality, quantity and condition of a noun or a pronoun. So adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun, or they add to the meaning of the sentences. So the wise fox said in this sentence, wise is adding the meaning of a fox. It is the telling about the quality of the fox. How is the fox? It is describing the fox. So it is an adjective. Wise is adjectives. And let us look at the statement made by the elephant. I am a large animal. Animal is a noun and large describing the size of the animal. So I am a large animal. So large is describing the size of the animal. So large is an adjective. I am strong. I is a pronoun referring to the elephant and describing the strength of the pronoun is the word strong. So it is describing the quality of this pronoun I. So strong is an adjective of, because it is describing the word I, which is a pronoun. I have a long trunk. Trunk is a noun and describing once again the quality of the trunk. Long, of the word long. Long is an adjective. So we have three different adjectives here: large, strong, long. So these all adjectives are describing either the elephant or his trunk or some other noun or pronoun. And then it was the turn of the bear. Bear said, I am also a big animal. So animal is the noun and describing the size of the animal is the word big. So big is in adjective here. It is a describing word. I am healthy. So I is a pronoun and describing the health condition of this pronoun I. The word healthy, so healthy is a describing word or an adjective. It has meaning of the sentence. It is describing word animal, so big and healthy are adjectives describing the bear. And then what did the lion say? The lion said, I am stronger than them. So I refers to the lion. It is a pronoun and describing the strength of the quality of the lion, the word stronger. It is an adjective. I have powerful paws. So paws is a noun and describing the strength is the word powerful. So the word powerful is an adjective here. Besides, I am clever and fast. So I once again refers to the lion and what describes lion? Clever and fast. So clever and fast are adjectives. I deserve to be the king of this big jungle. So in this example, jungle is the noun and describing the size of the jungle is a word big. So big is an adjective. So words like stronger, powerful, clever, fast, big, these are all adjectives describing some noun or pronoun. So adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun and they add more meaning to a sentence. It is not that we cannot have without adjectives. So it's very difficult to form a sentence without a noun or a pronoun. But that's not the case with that adjectives. We can form some sentences without adjectives, but they add more meaning to the sentences. So for example, the sky is blue. Which is the adjective here? So first let us see what is noun in this sentence. The word sky is the noun. Sky is noun. And which word describes the sky? Blue. So it tells us that sky is blue. So the word blue is telling us about the color of the sky. This describing how is the sky or what is the color of the sky. So blue is in adjective here. The word blue is an adjective. Amit is running slowly. Which is the adjective here? Well, noun here is Amit. But is there any word describing Amit? No, there is no word which is describing Amit. We have a word slowly here. But slowly is not describing Amit. It is not the Amit is slowly. No. Amit is running slowly. So slowly is describing how Amit is running. So slowly is actually describing this word running. Running is a verb and the word slowly is describing this verb running. So slowly is actually describing the verb running. It is not describing a noun Amit. So slowly is not an adjective. In fact, this sentence has no adjective in it. There are no adjectives in this sentence. Slowly is not an adjective because is it not describing a word, Amit, or a noun. Amit is a slow runner. Now in this case, the word slow is describing runner. Runner is a noun. So in this case, slow is an adjective because it is describing the word runner. What kind of runner is Amit? Amit is slow runner. So it is describing the word runner. So slow is a adjective. Slow. Now can you tell me what is the adjective in this sentence? There are 5 ice creams. First, here we need to spot the noun. Ice creams is a noun. And what is the word that is described the word ice cream? 5. So how many ice creams are here? 5. So the word 5 is describing the noun ice creams. So the word 5 is an adjective here. This is an adjective. 5. The word 5 is an adjective. So there are 5 ice creams. Ice creams is the noun and describing the noun ice cream is the word. Describing the noun ice cream is the word 5. So 5 is an adjective. I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.